Hello gurus, welcome to paradise. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum quickly. Bitcoin is still holding around this $30,000 mark. No really big rejection, which is good. The CPI data came out a little bit less, about 5% inflation, less than expected, which held up the markets, most likely indicating that the Fed will not keep increasing rates, which is a very good sign. Hit the subscribe button, join 78,000 people, smash up thumbs up button there, and hit the bell here on your phone. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going to the technical. Market slightly in the red after yesterday's stocks down 3%, Tesla, Coinbase, Ethereum slightly even, Bitcoin about still holding this 30K. Everything else in the market kind of flat. Bitcoin still holding. That trade from yesterday activated perfectly. If you followed my video, look at that perfect activation of the trade on that CPI data release. CPI data came out. We were at 30,500. It shot down, activated the trade at 29,600, literally to the dollar. Look at that. Look where this is where my trade activated. And this is where the wick came down. So it came down to 29,630 and the trade activated 29,640. So it activated within $10, now already in profits, which is beautiful. On the 15-minute RSI heading up, on the hourly RSI oversold heading up and still making higher highs. On the 4-hourly heading up still, it looks bullish. Volume also still confirming this trend and this movement. Target is still this breakout of the third wave. Target is still $32,000. We broke out of this rising triangle, which is bullish. It's also, we broke out of a bullish flag or a bull pennant. We're also in the third wave, in my opinion, still of Elliott waves. The count is still on. It's still bull flagging here. Perfectly touched my trade activation. Exactly. Look at that. That's amazing. By $10 activated. Bull flag is still forming here. This distance here would be the target of this breakout of this bull flag, targeting 32K. I would still take this trade. Again, if you haven't taken the trade, if you took the trade, move your stop loss into profits. If you haven't taken the trade, again, I would set the same one to activate in that same wick down, just in case there's another quick pullback to activate the trade. And the same target, and that's the trade that I would take on Bitcoin. Risking, look, exactly at 30,000, risking $173 to make $5,249. Again, risking $173 on the stop loss to make $5,249 without leverage. With 10x leverage, $52,000. 30 risk to reward ratio trade. Opening the trade 29,624. Stop loss 29,451. Take profit 34,873. So risk to reward is 173 to 5,249. 30 times risk to reward ratio trade, which is beautiful. If you want to trade Bitcoin under the video, you go down below under the video, sign up to Bybit using that link. Bybit, $30,000 US dollars worth of bonuses when you sign up to that link and you meet the trading requirements. So going down below, sign up to Bybit. That's where I trade. $30,000 worth of bonuses. Once you sign up, you get an account like this. In this account, I have my Bitcoin trade is $22,580 in the profits, 302% in the profits, 2.98 Bitcoin trade, 22,000 profit. And in this account, I have $275,000 in here. I've got 4 Bitcoin, $121,000 worth of Bitcoin, $39,000, almost $40,000 of MCRT, 12 million MCRT, $22,000 of TON, $22,000 FXS, 8,000 of Uniswap, about 3,000 of Ethereum. Those are my trades. That's what I'm holding in this account. That's my thoughts on the market. Let's quickly go into Ethereum to also see if Ethereum trade from yesterday activated. Ethereum, 1912. Ethereum trade has not yet activated. Still making higher highs. Interesting. Still making higher highs. Rising channel here. Let's get rid of these old patterns. If I zoom out on the daily, what am I seeing here? Old history, old breakouts. We called the breakouts from the $1,000 area. I'm seeing a large, I would say, cup forming here. We're at a very strong resistance on Ethereum right now. Here is a very strong resistance at this $1,800 mark. Here. And a little bit of a rising triangle, I would say. Rising wedge. That's actually trying to break out to the upside. But usually it's a negative pattern, like a breakdown pattern. that would break out the distance of this distance here, usually breaking to the downside. But it does look like also we've got a kind of inverse head and shoulders here forming. So this could actually be a breakout pattern for Ethereum. Large inverse head and shoulders forming here that takes you the distance of the head, so to the base. So this distance here we could be moving. But again, expect heavy resistance at this point. We're at a point of heavy resistance. But if it breaks through here, if it breaks through this $2,000 mark, then we could be running. We've got resistance at 2,200 and the next major resistance at 2,900 for Ethereum. My original target back at $800, if you guys remember. Do I think it pulls back here? Yes, a little bit of a pullback would be expected after such a strong run up. So going long here on Ethereum from the major support, which would be here. Stop loss just underneath. And take profit at 2,900. 9 risk to reward ratio trade, risking $132 per Ethereum to make $1,251 with 10x average of $12,500 of profits. Opening at 1727, stop loss 1595, take profit at 2976, which is beautiful. That's the trade setup that I see for Ethereum. Again, if you want to trade, under the video, go down below. Hit this thumbs up button on every video, subscribe, click this bell button to be notified of every video. And again, trading on Bybit using that link, $30,000 worth of bonuses. You can also take the crypto master course to learn what I'm doing and how I'm trading in the markets and all the technical setup. And free Telegram alerts group. You can talk to 8,000 members in there, and many of them making huge gains. I'll show you some of the gains from my students. This student 270%, 212, 329%, 300%. This student $2,400 profit, and you can just see thousands of them. If you go in the there, you'll see just many students making gains. This student $6,400 profit, this student $2,100, which is beautiful. Thank you for watching, everyone. Those are my thoughts on Bitcoin and Ethereum. I do believe we're still in bullish momentum on Bitcoin till that 35k. We just watch it closely. What we're looking for is the volume to drop off. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day. Hit that subscribe button there on the phone. Hit that bell. Smash up thumbs up button. Make noise on every video. And none of this is financial advice. This is what I'm doing with my money in the markets and my thoughts on the markets. Love you all. Have an amazing day. And I'll see you all again tomorrow.